that. So it says like hand. It had a little film in here, so hold on, let me see if we can get it. Like have a cool neon. So if you have a weaver gel to do with this, it's gonna be cool. But I'm just imagine it. I'm just having this one. So let's see what I can do with this. I'm so excited. Like animal prints. Or maybe I should do kawaii. It's just really nice and it stays on so well. So I'm gonna have to be careful to not stress it too much. Okay. Nice. It's really good and it sticks on the nails so well, because the nails, as remember, I did this top coat already, so it will help to like suck right in. And using the other end of the tweezers, tap it in. Maybe blue. That's cool, huh? You think? Different. So
this
what?
would be perfect for Halloween.
It's not. Do you think this one is for Halloween though?
No, you can do it for all occasion.
I think it's cool though.
It's different for sure.
It is for real. All right, that's it. You can continue doing it and you can add some neon crystal on. So I'm gonna, with condensed glue gels, first step, and then second step is no white top coat. You can see that how I'm scoop it up like this. It's like really thick density, so you don't need a whole lot. Apply it on, because I'm gonna just add some neons on. It's gonna be cool with the black lights, huh? You think? Cool. Yeah, right. Okay, and the second, don't care, is no white top coat. He's trying to get the light, like black lights. He's gonna kill my stuff. We'll have to wait for just a second. Floating on the top of the unclear condensed glue gel. It looks really cool, and then I just using really thin coat of condensed glue gels and no white top coat. So I'm gonna start with the smaller right there, the neons, like everyone best friend, I guess that's what it called. And it's right here is lover, and this right here is the cool one. This should be a cool one, I guess. And then this one is smaller one. It's on like passion. That's all. You can add more if you want to. So cool. Maybe one more. I think it would be cool if I have like a green on this. Yeah. All right. Happy with this? Done. We'll keep it for 60 seconds.
Yes. And Marla from YouTube, yes, the condensed glue gel is perfect for stone or crystal. That will keep you on forever until you take them up.
We did 2 nails already. Can you believe it? So cool. And then